everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well. So as it says in the title, you have obviously clicked on this video as you want to see my top 5 tips on how to start your own YouTube channel. Keep on watching what I've learned so far on my own, and I am just going to pass them on to you. So number 1, are we ready? So number 1, of course, to start filming, to start YouTube, you need a camera. You don't have to go all out and be like, oh my god, I need the best of cameras, because bigger YouTubers out there, what, they can afford it. We can't, you know, you're starting off, you want to do this. So the camera what I have used is this camera. This is my iPhone SE. Literally, like, look at my little cute case. But anyway, it has been everything. If I knew that I could film on my phone years ago, I would have started my YouTube channel so many more years ago. I used my front camera on my SE. I wish that I got used to using my back camera, because back cameras, obviously the SEs anyway, it's got a better megapixel on the back rather to the front, but I like to know what's going on, what I'm doing, you know, especially with like makeup videos and things like that. Even if it's not an iPhone and you have an Android, or you've got a Razr phone, a Google phone, anything with a camera, you can start your own channel. It's easy. The camera on my phone literally up until about 2 weeks ago, when actually I got my new camera, which I'm filming on right now. But if you want to know more about my camera, how I, you know, what I've got and things like that, how much it is, let me know in the comments down below, or even like the video, and I will make sure that I do that for you. But there are days when I really want to just film on my phone. So you've got your camera, you are happy, and now you're looking for maybe a tripod or something like that. Truthfully, I didn't use a tripod for my phone up until, well, it was about summertime last year, which was 2017. I literally would find anything in my bedroom, anything around my house, to try and lean my phone up against something. Same as my camera right now, I don't have a tripod for my camera. So currently I have got a lampshade. Actually, I'm going to take a photo and I'm going to insert, which I might video it. This is literally what goes on. Obviously I have a mirror just to make sure that I do know what's going on. I have a Shawn Mendes box set what I haven't opened, so once I open this I'm going to have to try and find something else. And then this is actually a lampshade what should go up here, but yeah, I don't really want to put it up because I don't have a tripod. I will when I get a tripod. So many different tripods for your phones on eBay, on Amazon, online. So literally this is the one what I got. You can get expendable legs, whatever they're called. Literally it just stands like this. It's super easy, and this pops up, so I think it goes all the way up to iPhone 6 or 6S, and literally all you do is just pop it in, and there you go. So you can have the camera here, or you got your camera at the front, and it's just so easy, especially when vlogging as well. You can just go around like this, and I just love it. You have your phone, you have your tripod, or you've found a pile of books to place your phone on it, it's perfectly fine. Now it's going into editing. Now you don't even have to edit your videos if you don't want to, but there's moments when my cats get in the way, there's moments where I'm doing beauty videos and I really have to cut it short, or I do like speed up videos with music in the background. So of course I like to edit. Now the editing software what I do use is iMovie, because of course I do have an iPhone. So iMovie is free on the App Store, which is really good. Everything you need. I am used to iMovie because I remember using it back in school, used to it. So it's pretty much the same. Again, if you want to see a video of me editing a video and all my little tips and tricks on how, please remember to subscribe, and I will make sure that I do that for you and like this video. If you do have an Android phone, you can literally, like, I don't know any, if I can find any I'll make sure that I link some down below, but literally all you have to do is type in on YouTube like editing software for Android, or go on to Google, what editing software can I use for my Android phone, or whatever phone you got, like a Razr phone, Google phone, whatever. I'm still, because I'm so used to iMovie and I don't have a Mac, or I don't have like Apple software, like, I'll edit on my phone. So I will, if you want to know how I get my videos off my camera onto my phone, again, like, comment down below. Now my last tip, going into tip 5, so choosing what you want to do for for your video. If you have your inspiration from somebody, inspired by somebody bigger, which you probably will be, you can take that inspiration but turn it into your own thing. So turn it into something what you want to do, what they do, but in your ways. How would you edit that? How would you film that? You know, obviously we like to get different ideas, but always make those ideas into your own ideas. You just need to know what you want to do because you're doing it for you. You shouldn't be doing it for anybody else. You should be doing it because you're enjoying it. Like, this is my hobby now. Last tip 6, this can be like a little extra tip, is be patient. Make sure you are so patient. Literally, you upload your first video, you've filmed it on your phone, you've edited it, you know, you're really proud of it, and you upload it. Yeah, oh my god, you might completely blow up the internet with it. It could be absolutely amazing. But if not, and it takes some time to get some views, don't be unhappy about it. It does take time. There are, like, I spend time on my videos, like, you know, there's videos where I've spent so much time on it and it's barely got any views, and it's just so it makes you just so, like, not unhappy, but just like, oh, I've put so much time and effort into this, why isn't anybody seeing it? But everything, you just got to take time, got to take patience. The right people will come along and watch your videos. Make sure that you don't delete any videos. That's another thing. So you've done everything and then you come back to it a couple of months later and it's just like, oh, I hate that video. Just make sure that you don't delete it. My worst videos, what I hate, is one of my most viewed videos, and that's my wish haul. I hate my hair, I hate my makeup, I hate the fact that I'm wearing a pyjama top. Like, because I didn't ever think it would blow up, and I was so close in deleting that video, and it is my most viewed video. Never deleted them back from 2012 and then 2014, because thinking back now, it's like, where could I have been if I hadn't have deleted those videos and I'd carried on back in 2012. I've only just hit 170 subscribers after over a year, yet there's people out there who do it for 6 months and they're at 20,000 subscribers. It's just one of those things, and you've just got to make sure that you be patient, be yourself, don't be somebody else, and just carry on being you at the end of the day. That is all of my top 5 tips, and then the little pointer at the end, just be yourself. If you want to know any more little top tips or what camera I'm now using, how I edit my videos, other editing softwares there are out there, because I have tried more than just iMovie. So please remember to subscribe to my channel, it'll just make me so happy. And yeah, please remember to like the video if you really like this and want to see more tips and tricks. So yes, I hope you have a great week. Love you lots, bye.